Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe of the steamed eggless mango semolina muffins that are ready in minutes. To begin, in a large bowl, mix together half a cup curd and half a cup milk till well blended. Add quarter cup oil and mix well. Now add in a cup of mango pulp, mix. Add 3/4 cup powdered sugar, mix well. Next, add in 1.5 cups semolina suji and mix until it forms a smooth batter. Finally, add in 1.5 teaspoons baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Mix. In the meantime, prepare the steamer. Spoon the mixture into muffin molds up until 3/4. This recipe makes 12 muffins. If you want, you can top them with chopped nuts. I haven't used them since my kitchen is a nut-free kitchen. Steam the muffins on high flame for 10 minutes. Once done, check with a toothpick. It should come out clean. Remove the muffins from the steamer and allow them to cool before you demold. Dust with desiccated coconut or powdered sugar. The eggless mango semolina muffins are ready to enjoy. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.